country is being sold every day. Safaricom has been one of the greatest revenue generators for our country, about 18 to 20 billion shillings every year. Sasa share moja imeuzwa 34 shillings, whereas the real value is 70 to 80 shillings. So the country is losing about 250 billion. Sasa hii Safaricom inauzwa without public participation. And when we look at it in a very simple way, it's like you have a cow that is high yielder in your home. Hiyo ng'ombe ndio inatoa maziwa, watoto wanakunywa, wewe unakunywa, ingine unauza. Sasa wewe unauza hiyo ng'ombe na una ingine, ati ununue chakula ya siku hiyo. Sasa ukikula hiyo chakula, una ng'ombe ya kukamua. So we are in a space in our country where Ruto is selling everything that is working. Mambo ya Kenya pipeline ameuza. Kenya Port ameuza. Airport ameuza. Sasa Safaricom imeuzwa. That is why ourselves, with Daktari here and other leaders, we are saying we must liberate this country. Senor. Otherwise, the way things are going, all national institutions are being sold. Everything has gone haywire. And that is why I want to assure the people of Kenya that we in the United Opposition are clear in our mind that we shall stay as one. At the right time, we'll give you one candidate to face William Ruto.